welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm filming a little chit chat get ready with me moment. I've been loving these videos and I realized that I've never filmed one, so here we are. Also, sorry if this angle is weird. I didn't know where to set my camera up. Also, sorry if my house is loud. Y'all know the deal. I have a really loud house. My mom babysits, so it gets pretty loud around here. So sorry if you can hear all that. I need to spit this gum out because I know it's going to be a problem. Okay, and don't mind my nails. I need to get them done again. This finger came off, so yeah, but other than that, they're super cute, but I need to get them redone. Okay, so let me actually get started with getting ready. Mind you, I don't really know what I'm doing, so this is not going to be like a teaching type thing. Also, if you have like any products you would like to recommend or anything like that, feel free to leave that down below, because I really would actually like to start getting into makeup, because like it comes in handy. Like whenever I need my makeup done, I always go to someone, but if I know how to do it, it just comes in handy. Plus y'all be looking so bomb, so I'm trying to look bomb too. Y'all, I was gonna title this video "Get Ready With Me for a Date," but I'm not even going on a date. I really just want to take Instagram pictures because I haven't posted in like 6 months. So I think it's time, you know? Also, I was like, hot girl summer this, hot girl summer that. Tell me why I'm already crushing on somebody. But like, she lives across the world, so who knows? Who knows? But you know, it's still going to be hot girl summer because people just have their own definitions for hot girl summer. And my definition is like being cute, you know, being hot, having fun, taking pictures, making memories, that type of hot girl summer. But speaking of dating, guys, it's Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. If you guys don't know, I am WLW, meaning I love me some women, but also men too. But I'm actually still kind of like figuring that part out because I don't know, like after like dating women, kind of seems like a downgrade to go like to a man. Not like in a mean way, but like, I don't know, it's just such a huge difference. So I don't know, and I only really like have had feelings for like one guy, so like I'm still figuring this all out. It's confusing. My plant fell, my fake plant. But anyways, we're just living life right now, you know. See, I don't really like labels, but if you'd ask me, I'd say bye. But I'm really just living life, you know. And now I'm taking this setting powder, which I really just go with the flow because I really don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, that is how it's looking. I have like these little pimples and it's kind of irritating me, but it is what it is. I've been really feeling the urge to like get another tattoo, so I might do that soon because I just have this dying urge to get a tattoo. I'm not really sure what I want to get, but I just know I want one. But yeah, this is all that I do for the face. I don't have like any foundation or anything like that. So my next focus is really the eyes, and I'm going to do my eyeliner next. And I'm kind of feeling a little spicy, so I think we're going to look up some eyeliner looks because I've been loving those lately. I just wish I had a different color other than black. Like, look at this. She looks bomb. I don't know if it's focusing, but she looks bomb. I feel like I really am serious about getting into makeup because I think it's just about that time, you know? So for real, if y'all have any product recommendations, leave it down below because we can figure this out together and I can do more get ready with me because I'm not tired of my vlogs, but I just feel like they're kind of repetitive, and you know, I just want to give you guys a bit more and step up my YouTube game because I feel like I've been sticking to vlogs, but I do want to do like some fun videos. See y'all look. It just looks so good. I wish I had different colors other than black. Okay, so I think I found the one. This one looks simple enough for me to do, so I think we're gonna do this. Kind of nervous, but it'll be fun. Let me bring you guys a bit closer. Okay, so I think I need to bring it like out a bit more. I don't know if I like that. I think it's because theirs is like more sharp. So let me see if I can make it more sharp. Okay, I'm gonna be back. I think we can make this work, but I need to like clean it up a bit. So I'll be back. Guys, I went to look in the bathroom and it actually looks kind of good. I don't know if it looks good on camera, but it looks good in the bathroom. So we're gonna keep it going. I feel like a little beauty guru. Okay, and like it's in the picture it stopped right there, so I don't know if I'm gonna continue it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, keep it simple. Do you see Penny in the back? So cute. Okay, now let's do this other one. Hopefully we can get it to look the exact same. This one's already coming out better than the last one. Guys. I need to go wet this again. Okay, guys, I'm getting excited because why is it actually looking good? I feel like they definitely do look different though. See, every time I look in the camera, it looks bad. But okay, I'm gonna come back when I get to the eyeliner finish because it's taking a while. Okay, y'all, I'm finally kind of happy with my eyeliner. I'm actually on the phone, so. Okay, but anyways, next is lashes. Okay, these lashes I get from Amazon. They're my Amazon storefront if you ever want to find these. So yeah, I actually was getting ready just to take pictures, but we're actually going to dinner, so I may bring you guys along because why not turn it into a little vlog thing. Okay, just like an update with the whole like therapy thing. I did tell you guys I was starting therapy. I've done like 3 sessions and I mean it's okay. I'm just not like the type of person to like talk about my feelings necessarily. Well, really not my feelings, just like past traumas and stuff. So I mean, I guess that's why it's good because I'm getting better at it. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys with the whole therapy. Okay, first lashes on. I feel like you can kind of like barely see the liner. I think you should ask me when you're sober. So how about you go to sleep? Okay, lashes are finished. See, it's very like basic, but I think I'm gonna do like a little lip look because it just looks so basic. I should have like, I wish I would have had colored eyeliner because now you can like barely see. But next time, I know, since it actually looks good, we're gonna get better at doing makeup. I also like shaved my little mustache before I did this. My little peach fuzz, whatever you would like to call it. Made sure I did that. Liner's not really going on because my lips, I have gloss on them. Okay. My lip liner. Thank you. Okay, so the lip liner is on, and I'm gonna put like this clear pinkish lip gloss over it. Okay, so we're done with the makeup. Something simple, but like once we get better at it, I'm gonna come at you guys with the little makeup looks. But Yeah, I usually don't do my eyebrows. I just get them shaped, so they kind of look trash right now. But it's okay. Now I need to figure out what to wear and also need to do my edges and stuff. And I think I'm going to try to take some pictures here. But if not, then maybe at the restaurant. So yeah, let's just figure out what to wear. Okay, so these are the tops that I'm choosing from. Or maybe I can do like a little dress moment. I'm not really sure. Okay, so let me show you guys the fit. I went with something that wasn't even part of my little options. But I chose this pastel yellow dress. I've had this for a while, but I don't have any pictures in it, so I'm still wearing it. Then I have this small pink Dunionberg purse. But yeah, I'm being rushed, so I have to go. Okay guys, I'm back home. I am tired as hell. But it was a nice little Mexican restaurant, so I know it probably didn't look good, but it was really good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've never really done a get ready with me before, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have made it up to this point in the video, leave a yellow heart emoji down below in the comments, just because I like to see watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know, so leave that down below. Let's do a little nice comment shout out because I've been slacking on those. Okay, this video's nice comment shout out go to Aaliyah Alert. Bestie, I love you so much. Thank you for all your kind words. It truly means so much to me. I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. But okay, I think I'm gonna go now because I'm so ready to snatch off these lashes. But okay, goodbye. I love you guys so much.